Ever wondered how to get those sharp cheekbones without makeup? Let's dive in. Hey there, beauty seekers. Today we're sculpting your face naturally with face yoga. That's right, no surgery, no makeup, just you and a few easy exercises. First up, the jawline definer. Tilt your head back, look at the ceiling, and pucker up like you're kissing the sky. Hold for 10 seconds, repeat 5 times. Feel that burn? That's your jawline thanking you. Next, the cheekbone lifter. Puff out your cheeks, move the air from side to side, and hold for 5 seconds on each side. Do this 10 times. You'll feel funny, but your cheekbones will thank you. Finish with the smile smoother. Place your fingers on the corners of your mouth, smile wide, and gently push your fingers to resist. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. There you have it. 3 simple moves to sculpt your face naturally. Try it daily and watch your face transform. Stay beautiful and keep smiling. See you next time.